In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a discussion button on your Telegram channel. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to create a space where your subscribers can engage with your content, ask questions, and have conversations about your channel posts. By linking a discussion group to your channel, every post you make will automatically include a comment button that takes people directly to the group discussion. This helps build community and increases engagement with your audience. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Telegram app and navigate to the channel where you want to add the discussion feature. Once you're on your channel, tap on the channel name at the top of the screen. This will open your channel information page. From here, look for the Edit or Manage Channel option and tap on it. This takes you to the channel settings where you can modify various features. Now, scroll down until you find the discussion option and tap on it. This is where you'll connect a group to serve as the discussion area for your channel. At this point, you have two choices. You can either select an existing group that you've already created, or you can tap Create New Group to make a fresh discussion group specifically for this channel. If you're selecting an existing group, make sure it's a group where you're an admin and that it aligns with your channel's topic. If you're creating a new group, Telegram will guide you through the setup process and you'll be able to name it and add members later. Once you've selected or created your group, Telegram will ask you to confirm the connection. Tap Confirm to finalize the link between your channel and the discussion group. After you confirm, the discussion button will now appear on all new posts you make in your channel. Subscribers can tap this button to join the conversation in the linked group. And that's it. You've successfully added a discussion button to your Telegram channel. This is a powerful way to boost engagement and create a community around your content. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more Telegram tutorials.